Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Montosa here with me, Roger's design, really cool looking knife. And we're gonna try to improve the action because there's some of this noise and there's no really, not really any action. The opening action is still good, no blade play, bladed center. So let's try and see if we can improve this action over here. So we're gonna see if the pivot is not spinning, which is always a very good thing. And then we're gonna take a T6 right over here, and let's do this side like so, but this is spinning. Let's see this guy. It's not. Huh, very interesting. But this guy is, right? Oh yeah. So basically we're gonna need another T6, which is here. So, all right. Like this. Nice accents on this guy. Honestly, I like it. I like Roger's designs. It's really attractive. Too bad that you can't find. I was looking for a OEM, but guys, it's they're tough to find. All right, so this is these are different sides. So that is like that. It's very nice. So let's see. This is coming off pretty easily. No, it's not coming off easily. Never force anything because there's no need. These are all mechanical parts and they should come off pretty easily when you disassemble this guy. So let's check out the guts of this guy. This is, I think, aluminum, anodized aluminum, because it's extremely light. And you have some Teflon washers. G10 scales. You have steel standoffs right there. What else? You have stainless liners. You have the guy banging outside. I don't know if you can hear him. Yeah, right there. Very nice banging in the background. And Teflon washers, so the action is not gonna be like drop shotty or anything. That's my assumption. So I'm not sure how we can improve this action over here, but we're gonna try. You have a D-shaped pivot, which is consistent throughout the Rogers design knives produced by CRKT, which is a lovely thing, guys. All right, I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice pivot color, also anodized, nice little accent going on over there. Cool. All right, let's do it. Pivot back in. Let's just clean up the pivot a little bit as well, like so. And now the pivot is in and is out and is in again like that, and it's in to stay. Nice. They're pretty thick actually, these washers. So let's just see if some 10 weight nano oil can help in any ways. This is in as well, and then we've got actually some lube over here, Teflon in. Then we've got this, no, sorry, this backspacer, yes, like so. And then we are basically done, guys. So stop pin is in place. All right, so what am I missing? Let me see. Okay, so Okay, all right. So in this case, just release some tension from that and goes into place like so. Very good. So everything looks to be in place. Let's just use this guy like so, and it's spinning, of course. Let's see if we manage to put this guy back together like that. It's very, very good. We're gonna deal with that later. First, I want to just do the pivot, and I'm gonna do a little bit of blue Loctite because I prefer it over the red, because this can be easily, and I say easily, taken apart. So that is in. Okay, very good. And let's just fix this spinning screw right over here, so it's nice and tight. And this guy is, oops, also nice and tight. Very, very good. Blade looks centered. Oh yeah, it feels already nicer than before. Let's just try and see if we can loosen a little bit the pivot without introducing any blade play. There's still a little bit of blade play. Let's see, like this. Still hear the noise, but actually the action, it's it has been improved a little bit. No blade play, still no drop shottiness, but the smoothness has improved, guys. So I think that probably was just the oil, the nano weight, the nano oil, sorry. So I think it's it has improved, guys, a little bit. Maybe it needs to be broken in a little bit, but let me see. Yeah, you can spider flick it, you can thumb flick it. It's not free falling or anything because of the washers, I think, but it's pretty centered to me. There's no blade play, and it's pretty much good to go. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.